Well, good morning. I picked up some morning news on the newswire for Ubuntu this morning. It says here that a major bug in 1910 Ubuntu could automatically share contents of your pictures, video, and music folders with other users on the network. And somebody posted here that all of the photos and videos were exposed without any kind of authorization on both the home network and all of the company network also. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes, but it looks like there's something called a media sharing feature called Rigel Media Server that auto starts in Ubuntu 1910. If you scroll down here to the bottom, it says you can. It says here that the solution for now is to uninstall Rigel. Rigel, wasn't that a planet in Star Trek? Yeah. Anyway, sudo apt remove Rigel, and it says here that the solution for now is to remove Rigel, and rebooting after installing the Rigel package to ensure that it's properly and fully uploaded from your session. So take a look at this in case you are running Ubuntu 1910.